Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to separate PDF pages in Adobe Reader. Right now I'm using Adobe Acrobat DC. Here we can see a PDF file on my Adobe Acrobat with multiple pages. Right now I will show one page separate to show you how to do it. Click on Organize Pages. Also you will find it on Tools panel. Click on Organize Pages. Here we can see all the pages from my PDF files. Now select the page you want to separate. Here I'm gonna selecting this page and now click on Extract. Also click on Extract. And then here we can see these pages has been separated. This is how we can separate page from a PDF file. That's it for now. If you benefited a little bit from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.